I'm Rob Serini for Get Lost Magazine. We're here in Jakarta. We're going to check out the Smoky Negroni at this place, Beer Hall. Let's check it out.
Okay, so Beer Hall's located in Jakarta's SCBD area in a spacious, modern food and drink palace. Its luscious, high-powered air conditioning is as extravagant as their food and beverage menu, which hosts a bevy of creative cocktails, some of which are on tap. Hearing the legend of the Smoky Negroni across town, I was super curious to find out how they put this ambrosia into a glass. First, they select a secret blend of fragrant combustibles to cloud the decanter. Okay, I think it's chicory. Placing them in a smoker, they fill the vessel, then slide in the perfectly aged classic Negroni. Then it's up to you to finish off the magic spell by pouring it into your glass. Do you feel like Merlin after a long day of defeating dragons with powerful wizardry? Yeah, you do. And it also tastes awesome. So next time you're in the Big Dorian, Beer Hall is a must to check out. And definitely sit at the bar for the full show. Now go get lost.